Today we're going to be talking about a service that Phoenix offers called ProAct Plus, powered by Matterport. We use 3D camera technology to capture the inside of your home or business for many different reasons, whether we're trying to document pre-damage or post-damage, but with ProAct we're trying to be proactive and document your space, your contents, before something happens. It's not very often in life that we do get to be proactive in emergency services, but that's what we're trying to do and be able to help you have some securities and insurance of exactly what was in your space and how your space was if and when you were to have an emergency happen to your house, such as a fire or water damage or a flood. This would definitely give us a digital record of anything and everything that was in your space or your business before any possible damage that could occur. We've got a couple scans here that we can go through, and you're able to walk through the space just as if you were in the house. You can walk through the space and turn and look around. You can zoom in, see exactly what's going on. You can go into other rooms, walk downstairs. This is an exact digital twin of your property. So, there was no questions of how your space looks prior to any damage or after damage. We also can use this to document what it looks like when we are done with repairs after a fire job or a water loss. You can scan out, you can do all layers of it, and now this is what's called the Dollhouse View. You can spin around and look inside. We're also able to order a exact floor plan or sketch of the space, as in what would be considered like an architectural drawing. It's going to show exact measurements and floor plan. You can also use the measurement mode, and so if we need to measure a wall, you can bring this up, click, click, and we can measure between the points, and it's going to give you exact measurements in the space. And that is all done from the 3D technology that is in with the cameras, and as long as we're placing the camera in the right spots, it's getting exact measurements within accuracy of plus or minus a quarter of an inch, I believe. You can measure your walls. So if we're using the measuring tool here, say we want to add a measurement, we can put this right up here at the top of the ceiling, click, drag down to the floor, and that's going to show us that we are 8 feet from floor to ceiling. This is an active measuring tool. We can also choose to go down to floor 1, and it will bring us straight down into the level below, and we can walk right in there. It helps give you a perspective when you can travel straight up or down to understand where you are in a large building and be able to go straight up for commercial spaces and know what room is above you. So it will help us for documenting damage and pre and post repairs. And here's what a commercial space would look like. We've also got walkthroughs if you're wanting to use this as a demonstration, where you can preset the rooms and how you want to look through a room. And you can just hit play and actually walk through the space. So if you're wanting to do a tour of your home for real estate reasons, if you're wanting to sell or promote, or if you're having an open house, you can use this technology for that as well. Anytime during the tour, you can stop, look around, and go anywhere in that process and change, and then just hit play and it'll start back up wherever you want to go. So here is the Phoenix office, and something that we have done in here is to show how you can use matter tags, and that's going to be these colored buttons. You can label points of egress, you can label where fire extinguishers are in a property. You can also inlay matter tags right here with YouTube connections. And so you can go straight to a YouTube from the matter tag in your space, and it's actually going to show you how to deal with that particular valve on that urinal. So you can put how-tos through your house, through your business, and it's that simple to be able to have information for maintenance, for VRBOs, things like that, where if you've got technical things you need to show somebody, they can walk right in, hit this matter tag, and it's going to have a video of what they need to do. Also, you could use PDFs if you needed to have a security system. Here's how you log into or arm or disarm the security system. You can have a PDF tag right there. It's very user-friendly, and it is also very customizable for anything that you need for your specific space. So Phoenix's idea of ProAct Plus and how we can use that is to, for once, be proactive in what we consider a reactive emergency services. We want to make sure that you have all the tools to be prepared for the worst case scenario or potentially one of your worst days. Give us a call today. We'd love to come out and talk to you, show you how this could benefit you at your home or your commercial property, and get a scan on file and start being proactive. Thank you.